Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. You are watching the 9th match here in round 1. Scores are Camperdown High on 5, Excelsior High on 3. It's now time for the Speed Challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible during 3 separate 60-second periods. Camperdown, you were sent in first. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, which prophet was the son of Amittai?
Jonah.
Sorry?
Jonah.
Correct. Which lobe of the cerebrum includes Broca's area, which governs speech?
Frontal lobe.
Good. Spell ricochet.
R-I-C-O-H-E-T.
R-I-C-O-C-H-E-T. Who is Jamaica's Senate President? That's right. What is the capital of Tonga? Correct. The coordinates 18 degrees north and 77 degrees west refer to a point in which Caribbean country?
Jamaica.
Correct. What is the meaning of the musical term diminuendo?
When we're getting lower.
Correct. How many electrons are there in the sulfide ion?
18.
18, I believe I heard. Correct. What is the area of a circle of radius 7 centimeters?
49 pi.
154 centimeters squared. Who plays the role of Podcast in the 2021 movie Ghostbusters Afterlife?
Pass.
Logan Kim. The Butler riots of 1937 occurred in which Caribbean country?
Grenada.
Trinidad and Tobago. Okay, well done. Camperdown for your first minute. Excelsior, coming over to you now for your first minute. In the Bible, who was the father of Nahor and Haran?
Pass.
Terra. Which lobe of the cerebrum includes Wernicke's area for understanding language?
Temporal lobe.
Correct. Spell spurious.
S-P-U-R-I-O-U-S.
Correct. Which opposition senator in Jamaica is visually impaired?
Lambert Brown.
Floyd Morris. What is the capital of the Seychelles?
Freetown.
Victoria. The coordinates 11 degrees north and 61 degrees west refer to a point in which Caribbean country?
Haiti.
Trinidad and Tobago. What is the meaning of the musical term leggero?
Slowly.
To play lightly or without force. How many protons are there in the bromide ion?
35.
Correct. What is the surface area of a cube of side 2.5 centimeters?
25 centimeters.
37.5 centimeters squared. Who plays the role of Phoebe in the 2021 movie Ghostbusters
Pass.
Afterlife? McKenna Grace. In what year did Jamaica become a crown colony?
65.
1866. With which sport would you associate the Ashes?
England and Australia.
I heard cricket first, I believe. That is correct. Well done, Excelsior, for your first minute. Camperdown, coming back over to you now for your second minute here in the Speed Challenge. With which sport would you associate the Ryder Cup?
Golf.
Correct. Which Dutch physicist founded the wave theory of light?
St. Eugène's.
Correct. In a Spanish restaurant, specifically, what is pollo frito?
Fried chicken.
Correct. In Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet, who is the father of Juliet?
La Capernia.
Lord Capulet. According to the Jamaican proverb, who or what knows who fi frighten?
Duppy.
That's right. In the Bible, who are Jacob's grandsons by his son Joseph?
Ephraim.
Ephraim.
That's correct. How many vertebrae are fused to form the sacrum in humans?
5.
Correct. Form an abstract noun from the verb to see.
Sight.
Correct. Who is the Member of Parliament for Southwest St. Catherine in Jamaica?
Edward Warmington.
That's right. Who is the Prime Minister of Grenada?
Kim Mitchell.
Nice.
Sorry?
Kim Mitchell.
Thank you. Trinidad shares maritime boundaries with which country to the southeast?
St. Lucia.
Guyana. Who is the main artist in the 2021 single Transparent Soul?
Pass.
Willow Smith. In which group of the periodic table? And we won't have time. Yes, Camperdown. Please to try and speak clearly if you're answering right by yourself over there. Thank you. Well done for your second minute. Excelsior, back over to you now for your second minute. Which SI unit is the equivalent of 1 dyne per Maxwell?
Erg.
Sorry?
1 erg.
The Orsted. In a Spanish restaurant, what is una carta para los niños?
Kids menu.
Sure. In Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet, who is Juliet's hot-headed cousin?
Tybalt.
Tybalt, sure, correct. According to the Jamaican proverb, what no brook no square?
Howdy.
That's right. In the Bible, which tribe of Israel was said to be left-handed?
Manasseh.
Benjamin. What is the scientific name for the tailbone in humans?
Cockings.
Coccyx. That is correct. I believe that is what you were trying to say. Form an abstract noun from the verb to create.
Creation.
Correct. Who is the Member of Parliament for Northeast St. Anne in Jamaica?
Lisana.
Marcia Smith. Who is the President of Barbados?
Sandra Mason.
Sandra Mason. Correct. Trinidad is to the south of which country in the Lesser Antilles?
Venezuela.
Grenada, who recorded the 2021 single Wants and Needs.
Ariana Grande.
Drake, in which group of the periodic table is boron?
5.
I believe you said 5? That's incorrect. It's 3. But well done, Excelsior, for your second minute. Camperdown, coming back over to you now for your third and final minute. What is the value of 1011 base 5 as a decimal number?
Base 5.
131.
Correct. Which American actor is also known by his stage name, The Rock?
Dwayne Johnson.
Correct. What is the name of the youngest son of Queen Elizabeth II?
Second. Anju.
Edward. Which English football team is nicknamed the Bluebirds?
Isapalis.
Cardiff City. What is the exact value on the Celsius scale of the lowest achievable temperature?
Minus 273 degrees Celsius.
Minus 273.15 degrees Celsius is what I have. In Spain, what article is la corbata?
The time.
The tie. Which Caribbean author wrote the novel Brother Man?
Jamaica.
Correct. Which of Jamaica's national heroes died in 1940?
Mark Garvey.
That's right. In the Bible, in which New Testament book were we introduced to Onesimus?
Palimon.
Well done.
Correct. Mad cow disease's scientific name is BSE. What does BSE stand
Bovine
for?
sponge form encephalopathy.
Very good. What is the past? And we won't have time. Well done, Camperdown, for your third and final minute. Excelsior, coming back over to you now for your third and final minute. What is the value of 314 base 5 as a decimal number? 84. Which American actor was previously known by his nickname, Fresh Prince?
Will Smith.
That's right. What was the name of the younger sister of Queen Elizabeth II?
Princess Margaret.
Correct. Which English football team is nicknamed the Eagles?
Pass.
Crystal Palace. What is the rate of change of angular displacement called?
Angular velocity.
Very good. In Spain, what article is el paraguas?
The raincoat.
Umbrella. Which Caribbean author wrote the novel Native of My Person?
George Lamming.
Good. Which of Jamaica's national heroes died in 1969?
Norman Manley.
Correct. In the Bible, which of his companions did Paul say had forsaken him, having loved this present
Demas.
world? Correct. DVT is a condition in which blood clots form in
Deep vein
certain...
thrombosis.
Very good. What is the past participle of fly?
Flu.
Flown. Who is the opposition spokesperson on justice in Jamaica?
Pass.
Senator Donna Scott Motley. What is the capital of Nicaragua?
Managua.
That's correct. Well done, Excelsior. For your third and final minute, and that is the end of the speed challenge. Scores in the match look to be Camperdown pulling ahead to 27, Excelsior on 21. But we're not done yet. When we come back, it'll be time for the exciting buzzer challenge, which will decide our winners. Stay with us. This 8th match in round 1 of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.